My name is Geethika and today I'll be making mango rice. So the ingredients are rice, coconut, raw mango, mint, oil, salt, chilies, a mixture of urad dal, chana dal, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Then this is the groundnuts and curry leaf and turmeric. So first to get started with the recipe, I'm going to put the coconut into the mixer. And then open. And then I'm going to add the raw mango. And then the mint. The salt. And the chilies. Now I'm going to open the lid. I'm going to start to deep fry them. First I'm going to add the oil. It's 3 tablespoons of oil. So now it's getting hot. I'm going to start to add the groundnuts. Then next, I'm going to add the mixture of the seeds. Then I'm going to mix it. Next, I'm going to add in the curry leaves. So now it's getting fried. I'm going to add the turmeric. And then I'm going to add this. So now I'm mixing it. You have to keep it in low heat. I'm mixing it right now and it smells really nice. It's ready now. We're going to turn off the heat and add it into the rice. When you're adding it to the rice, you can add how much ever you want. I am adding this much. And then we have to mix it. So So now I'm going to taste it. It's really nice. I hope you try it. Bye.